Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you something quick. You can consider this as a tip for your development practice. So if you know about the task recorder in Microsoft Dynamics Finance and Operations, so we also have this task recorder in development environment as well, and you can also upload upload in the sense you can import that particular file into the system development system. So I want to show you where you can go for this. You have to navigate to Dynamics 365. After this you have to navigate to add-ins, and from the add-ins you can see import task recording, right? So click on this import task recording. Here you can browse, let's say like you have already exported that file, so you can directly browse from here, and you can create a startup project, or um, keep this new project here. And you can also select whatever the model that you have created, for which model that you are uploading this, and the company for this. If it is for the specific company, you can mention the specific company and click on import, so that that file which was exported will be imported here into our project directly. And check what's wrong with the what's wrong with the development. Okay, so this is how where you can import the task recording. Thank you. Subscribe for more videos.